You've seen her as a judge on MasterChef, a competitor on Food Network's Beat Bobby Flay, and a guest on countless shows nationwide. Now, Chef Jamie Gwen is here with savory eats and tasty treats for your July 4th, as well as this summer's best tips for entertaining.
Chef Jamie Gwen here. This is a party in the USA. I love this slow cooker recipe for barbecue pulled turkey wraps. I use the #1 selling quarter slice turkey, Kentucky Legend, double smoked and with 3 great flavors: classic oven roasted, hickory smoked, or Cajun style. Kentucky Legend makes your favorite recipes more delicious. This Pearl's olive tortellini salad adds freshness and flavor to every cookout. People who love olives love and trust Pearl's. Pearl's black, ripe, and green Simply olives are 100% grown and packed in sunny California, and Pearl's is committed to keeping jobs in the U.S. Now, for great sweet potato fries, I look for the #1 sweet potato producer in the U.S., North Carolina sweet potatoes. Nutrient dense with vitamins A, C, and fiber, sweet potatoes are sweetened from the earth and low in calories, and the North Carolina Sweet Potato Commission is celebrating their 60th anniversary this year. Whether you're planning a beach day or having a barbecue with family, Palm antioxidant super teas are a delicious, refreshing alternative to ready-to-drink teas. Each bottle is gently brewed to preserve the antioxidant goodness, and while they're a great grab-and-go beverage, they easily elevate into a simple cocktail like this Palm Tea Spritz, the recipe at palmwonderful.com. And this summer, I say, think cheese. I love Gouda on barbecue chicken tacos or Parmesan on potatoes. Check out this mixed berry trifle shortcake, though. I added aged cheddar cheese to give it that perfect combo of sweet and savory. You always want to buy the best quality cheese, so look for the Proudly Wisconsin cheese badge on the packaging. Wisconsin is the state of cheese and the most awarded cheese in the world. For more information, go to dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Chef.